Welcome to a new series from TradeHappy, 10 things I wish I knew before becoming a Forex trader. We're going to be doing one video every single week for 10 weeks, going over each one of the points every single week into more detail. We're starting off on week 1. It's going to take longer than you think to become consistently profitable. Welcome to a new series from TradeHappy, 10 things I wish I knew before becoming a Forex trader. It's going to take longer than you think to become consistently profitable. I'm sure that there's a lot of traders that will get into Forex trading, think that it's going to become profitable and they're going to be making loads of money within 2 weeks or a month or 2 months or 6 months. Most of the time it's going to be years. I thought it would probably take a year, but most of the time it's going to be closer to 2 years, if not 3 years for most retail traders. So be prepared to spend months learning about yourself, spend months learning about strategy, back testing it, learning money management, psychology. There's a lot that you need to learn to become consistently profitable. And when you're a new trader getting into Forex trading for the first time, I think a lot of people are naive about how much they actually need to learn to become profitable. If you're doing it on your own, I advise that you don't do it on your own, but if you are doing it on your own, I would double or triple the amount of time that you actually think it's going to take. There's many ways to learn how to trade Forex profitably, and probably the best way is to find a mentor. I suggest that you find a mentor that you like personally and you've been following their content for quite a long time. If you're going to be trading their strategy, it's important that you like the strategy to begin with and you think that it's a strategy that you think you're going to be able to follow for a long period of time. You don't want to be going from strategy to strategy thinking that you're going to be profitable. You're profitable for a few weeks, and then you find something new and shiny, go towards that, and then you just get into a losing spiral of going from strategy to strategy, and it's going to just extend the period of time that it's going to take for you to become profitable. So I suggest you find a mentor that you like the strategy, you like their style of teaching, and you reach out to them and ask them to teach you in exchange for doing something for them. I mean, you can do anything. You could do admin, you could do designs if you're good at designs, emails, marketing, anything that you think that person's going to need, you offer that to them in return for them teaching you how to trade. You're going to get a lot of no's, so you're going to have to ask a lot of people, but there is going to be one person out there that you ask that is going to say yes. And that person's going to reduce that time frame from 2 or 3 years to possibly a year or 6-7 months. So if you're willing to get rejected by a lot of people and you're willing to put in the time to actually send personalized messages to people, finding a mentor is going to help you tremendously in reducing the time it takes for you to become consistently profitable. Another point is when you start to make money, not when you're consistently profitable, when you start to actually make money every single day, you need to be careful, because a lot of new traders will go on a streak of 2, 3, 4 days, maybe even a few weeks, where they are making money, and they think that they've suddenly now become a consistently profitable trader after a week of profitable trading. You need to make sure that you're not becoming too arrogant with your trading and that you're following your plan still, because the second that you think that you're too good and the second that you think that you are profitable, the market's just going to hit you and you're just going to be back to square one. It's happened to me many times, so something that I advise is that when you have a winning streak, go back to your plan, read your plan, and see if you're deviating from it in any way. And if you are, correct it. If you're not, then carry on. But it happens that when traders that are new make money, they think that they're too good for the markets, and they'll risk more, they'll do more trades, they'll do trades that aren't in their plan, and that's not very good for their long-term consistent income coming in. So just remember that when you are making money, it can all change, and that it's really important to stick to your plan, follow your plan, and learn your plan so that when you're in a winning streak or when you're in a losing streak, you stick to it. So that's point 1. 1 of 10. We're going to be going over 10 things over the next 10 weeks on 10 things I wish I knew before becoming a Forex trader. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, like and subscribe, and drop a comment down below about what are some things that you wish that you knew before becoming a Forex trader. And also let us know if you are consistently profitable now. So remember to come back next week for the next video, and I'll see you then.